and welcome to day 24 out of my 31 days of Halloween. Today's look is a little bit devil inspired, so I already had one of my eyebrows blocked out before starting filming this video, and then I go in with a white eyeliner pencil and start to sketch out the design on my face like I normally do. I then prime my other eye using the Beeluxury base in the shade 0.5, and I set that with a little bit of translucent powder. I then get the Snazaroo face paint in the shade Sparkle Red and I cover my neck and my whole face with it. Then using a black Mayron face paint, I go over the design that I sketched out with that white eyeliner pencil at the beginning. And then I start to fill in the centre of it with a dark purple face paint, and then I go over that with an orange face paint. So this is meant to look like this part of my face has been ripped open. So I create some veins using a black face paint, and then I go in with a black eyeshadow and just go around the outside of the inside of the rip. I hope that makes sense. But I just do this because it creates depth and it will just all blend in nicely later on. I then get a purple eyeshadow and start to blend this in the middle of the rip as well. And then I get the black face paint and create some more veins going throughout the whole section of this rip. I then get a dark red eyeshadow and start to blend this a little bit around the outside of the rip, just to make it look like the skin is stretching and getting lighter, but then on the outside it's darker. I feel like I'm not making any sense in this tutorial, but I hope that you're following me. For the upside down cross on my head, I wanted it to look like it was burnt into my forehead, so I got a red eyeshadow and blended it, and then got a black eyeshadow and created the cross in the middle of the blend. I then got a dark red face paint and created some veins coming out of it. This really freaked me out, and I was the one painting it on my head, and then when my boyfriend saw this, he was like, get it off your face immediately. It just really freaked him out as well. So if this bit freaks you out, you don't have to do the upside down cross on your forehead. To make the other eye look a bit more sunken in, I get a dark red eyeshadow and start to blend around it in the eye socket area, and then I create some lines coming out of it as well. To enhance them lines even more, I go in with the black face paint and create a thin black line in the centre of the lines. Going back to that red sparkle face paint, I start to blend it down my neck, my shoulders and my chest. Using the Mayron Red Paradise face paint, I then contour my cheekbones, my jawline, and I also fill in my brows with it. I put on this choker that looks like it's blood dripping down that I got from Poundland, and then I apply the lipstick by Avon that is called Mark Liquid Lip Lacquer Matte in the shade Passionate. I make my Cupid's bow really sharp, and I also extend my upper lip as well. For my lashes, I use the Makeup a Murder Evidence Marker 3D lashes in the style 1. Lastly, I put on a wig, turn on my smoke machine, and we have the queen of the underworld. Let me know if you like this look by pressing the like button down below, and if you're looking for some more Halloween inspired content, make sure you subscribe to me here on my YouTube channel and follow me over on my Instagram page. Over there my name is @Brooke.Ellis_. It's linked in the description down below, along with my other social medias like my TikTok, and also some promotion codes down there for you if you are interested. I am going to be creating so much more content this year. I'm doing the 25 days of Christmas on my YouTube channel and my Instagram, as well as some really cute fun looks in November. So if you are interested, make sure you follow and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!